we're going to do an otoscopy on Pesci Hirsch. And my name is Roxana Panis. You hold with the right ear, you do with the right hand. You hold 2 fingers and you brace with 3. Okay, and you look inside. Well, you hold her ear up and back. Okay. With the left hand, you hold the 2 fingers and you brace with 3. And you hold her ear up and back. And you look. Very good. Okay, it's Roxana Panis. I'm going to do a temp on Pesci Shane. We chose a probe that we hope is going to be good. You press the right ear. You're supposed to press temp and the right ear. And you hold her ear up and back. And you stick it in. And you make sure when the light turns green, you know you got a seal. Good. Then you change it to the left side. And you do the same thing. And it's stayed a solid green, so you know we got a seal. Perfect. Okay, Roxana Panis, and I'm going to do a hearing screening on Pesci Hirsch. I'm going to put the red on the right ear, the blue on the left ear. We're going to position it right that nothing is blocking her ear. It's perfect, yeah. Okay, so then I'm going to instruct her. When you hear, I'm going to play a series of sounds. As soon as you hear any sound, or if you think you hear a sound, and even if you're not sure, you say yes. Okay? Okay. We're going to start at 20 dB at 1000 hertz. And if she gets 2 out of 3, that she hears 2 out of 3, that means of each, when she hears it, then she passes. Yes. 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 Okay, she got 3 out of 3 at 1000 hertz. So now we go up to 2000 hertz. Yes. 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 And then we're going to go up to 4000 hertz. Yes. 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 Okay, now we're going to do the left ear. Start at 20 dB and 1000 hertz. Yes. 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 Got 3 out of 3, so then we move up to 2000 hertz. Yes. 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 Just got 3 out of 3, so we move up to 4000 hertz. Yes. 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 Okay, you passed your hearing screening. Hi, it's Roxana Panis. We're going to do a visual inspection of the behind the ear hearing aid. So first we'll look at the casing to see if any cracks or breaks in it, but it looks good. There aren't any. So we look at the ear mold to see if there are any cracks or breaks, and it looks good. So we check the soundboard to see if there's any debris or wax. And there isn't, but we just cleaned it out just to make sure. Then we're going to check if there's any condensation in the tubing. Doesn't look like there is, but we'll just make sure there isn't. This gets rid of it if there is. So then we look to see if the tubing is yellowed and hardened, but it isn't. So next we check the ear hook to see if it's securely fastened on, and it is. Check if it's clogged with moisture or cerumen. It doesn't look like it, but we'll just check just in case. Okay, it looks good. So you check it for any discoloration. It is a little bit yellow, but it looks like it's fine. Now we're going to check the battery. So this is the correct size battery for this hearing aid. We check and you see that it's good. So now we're going to insert the battery in, but before we do that, we're going to check for any corrosion or any dirt. looks good, but we'll just clean it just in case. Just make sure that it's working. So you stick it in and you close it. You turn the volume up to see that it's working. And it looks like it is. Okay, so now we're going to check the in-the-ear hearing aid. So we're looking at the casing to see if there's any cracks or breaks. And it looks good. So you check the sound ports and clean it just in case there is any wax or debris. Looks good. So you check the battery place to see if there's any corrosion or dirt. Clean it. Now you check the battery to see if it's good. We have the right size battery, we checked it, and it looks good. So now we see if the hearing aid is working. Okay, sounds like it's working. Now we're going to do a listening check to make sure that this hearing aid is working properly. So you make sure that the volume is turned up and first that the hearing aid is turned on, which it is, and then you say the link sounds. Ooh, ah, ee, sh, and it is working. The signal is clear, there's no distortion, there's no static, there's no hum. The signal is not cut out. It doesn't cut in and out. Not when you press on the case, not if you move the hearing aid around. It's good, you hear well. The volume control is good. The signal does gradually get louder and lower as you move the volume control wheel, which does move easily. There are no breaks in sound or intermittency as the volume is changed. So now we hold the hearing aid in our hands with our fingers covering the soundboard or the ear hook, and we turn the volume up to see if there's any feedback, which there isn't. Hi, now we're going to check this in-the-ear hearing aid to make sure that it's working properly. We're going to do a listening check. So we make sure that the hearing aid is turned on, which it is because since we closed the battery door. And we're going to say the 6 link sounds to see if we hear them properly. Ooh, ah, ee, sh, Sound is clear, there's no distortions, there's no static, there's no hum. The signal does not cut in and out, not either when you press on the case or if you move the hearing aid around. The volume control works fine. If you turn the volume control wheel, it gets louder or lower and does move easily. Now, we're going to check if there's any internal feedback. So, we're going to cover the soundboard. Now we're going to turn the volume up, and there is no feedback.